Yan o, dyan yung pinuntahan ko kahapon. Ganda ng view! Hello guys, good morning. It's already 7:05 and we're going down for breakfast. Si Jerome at si Jordy na una na sa baba para meron na kaming table. Hintay ko lang si Jetro, hindi pa siya nagbibihis. Ayan o. Good morning!
Good morning.
Hintay ko na lang siya tapos sabay kami bababa.
Go
na!
Vlog?
Yes! I'll go. Usually, pag natutulog silang dalawa, iniiwan namin sila sa room. Tapos, si Jordy, minamessage ako pag gising na sila. Tapos, si Jerome aakatin sila para sunduin. Pero this time, maaga nagising si Jordan. Siguro na-excite mag-breakfast and mag-swimming after. Kaya, nauna siya magising, nagsabay na lang sila ni Jerome. What's that? Oh, yeah. Do you wanna go there? Ayan, no?
Yeah.
Ayan, no? Diyan yung pinuntahan ko kahapon. Yung pwede kang mag-golf. Punta ka lang sa front desk para manghiram ng yung mga gamit for golf. Tapos mag-iwan ka ng ID. Tapos yun, pwede ka na maglaro. We're here! Sa Mr. Restaurant. Birthday. There's Achi and Daddy. See? Wow, they're eating na. Go sit down. Good morning, Daddy. Sit down, sit down. We're having tinapay and iced Milo. Go. There, put it under. Want me to help you? Just a little, not too much, huh? Okay. Oh, here you go. Fresh milk. Okay.
Enough?
That's enough?
Yeah.
Careful. Oh, go. I'm gonna eat that one muna. I'm gonna get the rest of your food, ha? Oh, sit down muna. Go, go, go. Go to your chair. Oh, you have bread. Miso soup station. Fruits. And pork meatloaf. Hash brown. Gusto ko yung hash brown. Baked tomato. Militaria. Oh, I like that. Champorado. Wow. Some juice. Detox water and orange juice. Dining area malaki, no? Mga ito?
Siyempre, danggit.
Ah, danggit. Danggit ba? Parang ano, no? Hinati-hati. Tapos dilis. Ayan, masarap isawsaw yan. Hash brown, ham, and hindi ko alam itong crunchy. Tapos eggs, suka.
Fish.
Hindi pala silang bacon, pero kailangan mo hiling yun sa server. Yes, why? Ha?
I love you.
I love you too. Finish them. Almost done. We're going to play golf.
I thought you were gonna go to the...
Punta lang kami sa sa reception area para baro ng golf clubs. Mag-iwan kami ng isang ID.
You don't even know how to play golf.
Yeah. See you! Go play golf!
Yeah, we have
Going
no
to the-
idea how to play it.
Going to the ground floor para mag-borrow ng golf clubs. Tapos mag-iwan kami ng ID.
Hello!
me. When my sky is falling, you're all in. You're all
Going to the pool now. Done with golf. Swim ulit tayo. Medyo mainit na. It's around 10 o'clock. Hindi masyadong malamig na. Ay, hold it muna. Oh, there's no towel yet. Here's the pool. Done swimming. Balik na kami sa room and then we're gonna have lunch in hindi ko alam kung Manila Bay or Mall of Asia or Parkal. See you. Done taking a bath. We're going now.
Ground floor.
Ground floor. Hindi, saan tayo pupuntang mall? Saan tayo pupuntang mall, City? Saan tayo pupuntang mall? Cloverleaf. Manila Bay.
Go ahead.
Manila Bay for lunch. Go ahead.
Never mind.
Jordan. We're here in Classic Savory. Gonna have lunch. But he is sleepy. Are you sleepy? Aw, sige, close your eyes na. Achi, hi!
Dapat hindi kayo nakikita ba yun?
Antok! Antok! Favorite savory spinach soup. Yum, yum, yum. Done with lunch. We're here in...
Just coffee.
What do you got? We're doing that.
Recommendation po.
Zeus Coffee.
Get a matcha latte.
Yes. We're here in Granny's and Lolabet's room. There's a small couch. They have 2 single beds and... What else? What's the view? Oh! Ayan yung ano, yung golf area. Nag-golf kami dun kanina eh.
Ako, kala ko tubig.
Oh, see?
And one is dream. That's a dream plate. That's dream plate.
Dito tayo, dalawa, tabi.
Going back to the pool.
What the food?
Kahit palamig. So there. Kakalubog lang ng araw, kakatapos ng sunset. And there's Ayala Malls Manila Bay. Reclamation area. Tapos pag tinayo na yung buildings, punta ulit tayo dito. Tapos compare natin. Compare din natin yung itsura ko nun. Ay, lamig-lamig. Lamig. Ganda ng view. Hello.
Nasaan sila, Jerome?
Andiyan sa harap. Oh, ang ganda. Here at Mesa, nakita ko na sa wakas. Ang tabing baso. Go try it. Try to drink. Try. Look like that.
Do meron pa rin.
Dinner at Mesa. This is, ano to, crispy pata?
Bone-in.
Bone-in. Ensaladang talong, laing, at saka, ano to? Kare-kare. Galing kami sa Mesa. Lipat sa Kuya Jace. For the halo-halo. Yum. Sarap, Jardine. Pero lamig na lamig, pero naghahalo-halo. Gusto namin? Mami ka? Ah? Ang konti naman? Thank you. Pero yung subo niya malaki. How about you? Are you yummy ba? Yes. But you're sleepy na? Are you sleepy na? Yes, no. Seryoso tayo dito ah. Parang... And as Lolabet, she knows how to play chess. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yan, may bagong kalaban. Hindi si Jetro kinakalaban mo. Si Jetro kinakalaban niya. Tinuruan niya eh. O Jetro, what are the names of the chess pieces?
Gonna move the knight,
Knight. And then?
king, and the queen.
And there's more pa. Ambot.
Huh? Do you want some pasta?
Okay, that's enough. Okay. Okay. Bye, Manila Bay. Merry Christmas.
Bye bye, Manila Bay.
Bye, Manila Bay. See you. See you.
See you.
We're going home now. Tomorrow we're going home. I'm gonna check out of Seda and go home and get Panda back. Right?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Video. Ganda talaga mag-decorate ng Christmas ng Ayala. Simple lang oh. Wala masyadong abubot. Just plain, warm colored Christmas lights. Yun lang. Pero ang ganda. Before we sleep, we're going to the, ano pang tawag dun? Rooftop floor. Let's see how it looks like. Sana open pa. Ay, ang dami tao. Ooh! How can we get in? Tara. Tignan natin kung pwede pumasok. O, dito lang tayo. At sa other side.
Oo, dito lang.
Oh, kita yung East Glory Center. Ano yung East Glory Center? Ano siya, no? Hospital? Parang bar. Ayun, dun sa kabila, maganda. Tara, silip tayo. Sleep na nga, guys. Tomorrow we will be checking out from the hotel. Uwi na tayo. Kasi we'll be celebrating Christmas Eve. Tulog na sila. See you tomorrow. Bye.
You've got this hypnotic